All right, guys, I got the Precision Inkjet Flame Lighter, and boy, am I going to tell you, this is an awesome product. I'm going to give you a couple reasons why you need to get it, other than it being a jet flame lighter. I don't know what else to say, but we're going to go ahead and fill it up. Pretty easy to fill, so I'm going to show you how to do that, and we're going to turn it on and show you all the cool features about it. So just like this, really awesome product, comes nicely packaged, and very simple. I've seen a bunch of these. We have a ton of lighters for the channel. You have a proper way to fill it with butane. So I have Zippo butane, which is perfect here. And right out of this can, you don't need any extra attachments to make it happen, which is super important. What you're going to do from the instructions perspective, you're going to turn the lighter upside down, insert the long gas nozzle, and push for about 3 to 4 times for 3 to 5 seconds each. Wait at least 2 minutes for igniting. So we're going to go ahead and do that, pause it up, and then get back at it. So we got this upside down. Boom. You're going to pop it in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you have it. So just like that, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm going to pause it up, and we'll get right back at it here in just a minute when we get this lit up. All right, so we went ahead. We got 2 minutes waited after doing the filling here. So a couple things about it. You have the fire lock switch, so you can actually lock it on. You have the ignition button, the torch flame, and then right here is going to be the section to which you're able to adjust. So moving to the right is going to be more flame. Moving to the left is going to be less flame. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and drop it kind of right in the middle here. So based on this piece, it's going to be the middle section. That's kind of what you're going to judge it on. So we're going to throw it right in the middle based on the screw right sitting in the middle. And then we're going to click it. Let's see what we got. Okay. We got a flame. So after the first couple times, it takes a minute, obviously, to get it rocking and rolling. And then you do want to play around with the fire coming out. So I would say after the first couple times, you want to play around a little bit with the how much, I'm trying to think what that's called, how much you're actually giving gas-wise. And once you've done that and once you've got it lit, it is super, super simple to make it happen. Guys, check that flame out. You can also, with the lock button, you can lock this out and you have a sick torch making it happen right there with no issues. Probably should move the Zippo out of the way so there's no concerns. But super hot, crazy, crazy, awesome little product. Whether you want to smoke some bourbons, that you have some drinks, maybe you're a cigar person, maybe you need to light a fire for outside, for your camping, whatever it might be, this will do it for you, and it's going to get it done in a jiffy. Guys, this Ignite Flame Lighter is pretty freaking sick. Definitely check it out.